To create the zoom blur effect, first convert your image to a smart object. Then go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Set the amount to how strong you want the effect to be. For blur method, I usually use best, but you can also use good. Click on the layer mask, choose the brush tool, and make sure your foreground color is set to black. Start painting the areas you want to reveal. Then you can also create a color lookup layer and select the second filter. Adjust the opacity to your liking. After that, I usually create a second color lookup layer, select crisp warm, and again lower the opacity. Next, create a new layer. With your brush tool active and using black, start painting around the corners of the image. Once done, set the layer to overlay and lower the opacity. Now create one more layer and with the brush tool active and white color selected, paint the center of the image. Set this layer to overlay as well and lower the opacity. You can also add some light leaks or grunge effects if you want. Apart from that, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and until next time, bye!